All right. Who would like to share their color and absorption prediction? All right, I'm going to start with Evan. What's yours?
Can I do number 2?
You can do whichever one you would like to.
I think with the cover, I think it'll heat up more because it will trap more heat inside of the container after it heats up. So instead of letting it escape out of the container without
Letting what escape?
heat.
Okay. So Evan thinks that the one with the cover is going to heat up more. What else? Zach, what do you think?
Well, for question number 1, I think the black solar collector will heat the water to a higher temperature because dark colors attract the sun
Okay, good.
and heat.
Okay. Kaylee.
I think that for number 2, the one without the cover will heat up the most because there's not a cover to stop the sun from going.
Okay, so you think instead of keeping the heat in, the cover is going to prevent the heat from being able to even get into the container? Okay. All right, class. Which model do you think will heat up the water the most? Which model do you think will heat up the water the most? The one, tell me something about color and whether or not you have a cover on that model for your prediction. Azumi?
I think the one without the cover with the black solar collector will heat up the most because, well, the black, since it's a dark color, it's going to attract the sun, and I think that the cover might prevent the heat.
Okay. Does anybody have something they would like to add to that? Their own prediction? Sophia?
I think the black one will absorb the most heat. Because I actually tested that. I took 2 cars. It was by a mall, and one of them was black and the other was white. There was more cars. But, and the black one was like really, really hot, and the white one was hot, but it didn't like burn my fingers.
Okay. And do you have a cover on it or not?
No.
Nope. Okay. All right. Any other predictions? Michael Bromley?
I think that the black one will heat up more because white clothes or like white clothes or something. Like people wear them to like play tennis because they reflect heat.
Okay. Do you have a cover or no cover?
With the cover
With the cover. Why with the cover?
because it absorbs heat.
So the cover absorbs heat?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you.